Okay, we got this pretty large and complicated expression here. What we're going to do is work from the inside out. So what that means, is we're going to work from this -2 plus x, because that's the inmost parenthetical expression. What we're going to do there is we're just going to distribute this negative sign. Everything else is going to be hanging out like a spectator. Perhaps you could visualize them cheering us on as we do this math problem. Okay, so everything else, like I said, it's going to be a spectator. I'm just going to copy everything else as is. Oh, and we're going to distribute this negative sign. So it's negative times -2, that would be +2 or +2. Negative times positive x would be negative x. Now, remember, D then C, distribute then collect, distribute then collect. So we have to collect like terms here. See this x minus x, they're like terms, they're both x's, haha, and they cancel. That is so awesome. So again, everything else is a spectator here. I know it's a labor of love. We're going to basically put this 2, that's the last thing in that parenthetical expression. We've got this here. Okay, cool. Now we can do some work. What we're going to do is work from, again, the inside out. But what happens here is we have 3 terms we can kind of work on right here simultaneously. So if it gets a little confusing, remember, just slow up the video. I'm just going to copy this -4, but then we're going to distribute all these signs and numbers. So this negative times negative x, that's a plus x or positive x. This negative times negative y is a plus y. Next, we have this -3 times 2. Negative times a positive would be a negative, and then 3 times 2 is 6. Lastly, we've got this negative sign to distribute here, and that's negative times -1 is a positive 1, and then negative times positive y would be negative y or minus y. So look, if you're confused about me confusing negative and minus, they're kind of the same, except when you get to some calculators, they're very specific about the difference between negative and minus. That's probably one of the biggest error messages I see when students are using calculators, is the difference between the negative and minus sign. We'll do that in another video. But here, what we're going to do, since we distributed in gray, we're going to collect like terms. Again, if I have a lot of terms, a lot of different terms here, I'm going to circle the first variable term. That's the x. Okay, it looks like he's the sole x term here, so he's just going to hang out. I'm going to box the y, so we've got a plus y and a minus y. Plus y and minus y cancel, haha. So as I work through these, I'm going to just kind of like show that I've worked through them. Next, I've got this, I'm going to triangle the constants, meaning the numbers, and I've got this, what is this? 4 minus 6 plus 1. So 4 minus 6 is -2, plus 1 is -1. And again, I've got that negative sign outside. That's been a spectator the whole time. Last thing we're going to do is distribute this negative sign here to this x minus 1 expression. Now, if I distribute the negative times x, that would be negative x, and negative times -1 would be plus 1. So look, my word of caution here, or words of caution, be careful both with parentheses and signs. And after you distribute, be sure to collect. Good luck, guys. I'm sure you're going to do fine.